And yeah guys, welcome back to the free travel blog series. And yeah, this is the second video where I will be teaching you guys on how to start your travel blog. This video will be more in depth about the last step which we followed last week, where I taught you guys on how to start your travel blog or any other blog you wish to. Yeah, if you have not watched that video, go to this playlist, or I will be linking all the three videos in the description which you can watch. So yeah, this is the second video where we'll be learning in depth about the CMS systems, about all the different settings which you need to use. And yeah, let's get started with the video. So yeah, let's go to the dashboard and let's discuss all the things which you can do with your free travel blog or any other blog you wanna build today. So the stats, let's go to the stats menu first. So what this stats does is it will show you how your blog is performing out there, how many views you are getting on a daily basis, and then the visitors, likes and comments on your blog. You can choose to see how your blog is performing on a daily, weekly, monthly or yearly basis. And then as you can see, you can add people here, which will bring out the team members here with different roles, and also you can invite people to your blog to join it as a content creator. So yeah, from stats we can go to plan, and as you can see there are three different plans from 200, 350, 800 build monthly, and depending on that you can get so many things out from there. Like for the cheapest one you can get a custom domain, some jetpack features, live chat. Okay, you'll get 6 GB storage space when you are using the personal 200 INR plan. I don't know how much storage you get for the free website, and also they remove the wordpress.com ads which will appear on a free blog. So depending on your requirement you can check these features out, and depending on your requirement you can change the plan from free to any other plans like the personal, premium and business. So after that we'll start about the site pages. So you can click on the site pages or click on the add button to add more pages. And yeah, as you can see there are three pages for you: home, contact and blog, which are already built during the installation of your blog. You can either save some pages for later in drafts and also schedule some pages, and in drafts it shows all the pages you deleted from your blog. So yeah, let's create a page here and let's see how it is done. Click on the add button and this will take you to the editor where you can add the different elements to your blog. So we'll be making a about us page. So yeah, let's get started. So I'll just type about us or about Mr. Avinash or anything you want to do. Depending on the title I choose, it will automatically generate a URL for your blog. And yeah, if you visit this URL you can visit the page, but once you publish it. So yeah, let's add some content here. You can either add images from different sections, then you have different headings, paragraphs. So let's add a heading here about Mr. Avinash. So this will be kind of a subtitle for your blog. You can write something here else here if you want, like about us, about the blog or anything. And there is bold, italics and different features which you can use to edit your blog. And if you're good at HTML, you can also go and choose this feature, and depending on that you can write a paragraph in a p tag. If you want it bold, you can just write strong, or else you can just double click the tags and click on this. It will add a strong tag, and if you double click you can also add italics tag. Like some of the tags are added here. If you want a bulleted list, you can try this. Close it, and inside that you can add a list and type something out. And as you can see we have a title here, h3 title, and then there is a paragraph which is bold and also italic, and we have bullet points out here which we added from HTML. But I will suggest you guys to mostly use these settings because that will be easier for you if you are just starting up. And yeah, let's click on this paragraph and we can align it depending on the alignment we want. like we can align it to center and whatever we want, and also block quote it, which will add a beautiful background and a border towards the left. If you want to add some links here, you can add it here, like mrvinas.com. And yeah, as you selected the text, and you can choose on how this page will interact, like if you want it to open in the same tab or a new window. And yeah, you can also link it to like the existing pages out there, like the blog post and contact page and all, like a quick access to these pages. And as you can see, our dummy page content is ready. Now let's go and preview it. And as you can see, a pop-up comes here which shows you the page, how it looks. And once I click here, it will take me to the domain I just added to the page. So you can either check it on desktop, tablet, phone, even on search and social media. Okay, for that you need to upgrade your account to business plan. So yeah, let's close this up and I'll show you the other features to get on the page editor. So there is status where you can like either schedule your article or publish it immediately. You can also choose to like show these pages to either the admins, editors, or you can have a password protected page. But if you keep it public, it will go live to everyone visiting to your blog. And then there are some tags, so you can add the tags which will be helpful for you in SEO, like about us, Mr. Avinash, meet me. And there is the featured image which will appear mostly on top of your blog article. So let's choose this one here. I'll just show you the preview how it looks with a featured image. And as you can see, this has added a character to the page where it was all white at first, and now it has a cover image or the featured image, and then there's the title and all, which is like really awesome. You can also design these banners and put it here. Then we have the page attributes. I don't think you'll be needing this, like you'll need to edit something here, like if you want to show sharing buttons or not. Then there's the more options button where you can put some excerpt here, and you can like change the slug, like you can put in about Mr. Us and it changes in the URL, and when you save this it will go live. You can add the locations. And yeah, that's it for the blog pages. Let's get to the blog post. As you can see, there is not much difference in the editor. There is a HTML section, visual section, and then you have the editor. Let me add the title, my first blog post, custom, because you are doing this for the first time. Then you can start adding content, whatever you want to write, like this is my first blog post, custom. And depending on that, you can use the different editing modes, like the bold, your text gets bold. If you want some italics, you can write italics. And yeah, you can add images from here. You can also search from using the pixels, which provides you with free images, I hope, but I don't think this will be copyright free, so just check before using them. Click on the insert button, and as you can see, your blog post has an image now, and the status is mostly the same like the page we just talked about. Then there is categories, and so categories is a different section which you get in blog posts and not in pages. So you can add like different categories, or for me, if I'm traveling around, like if I go to Sri Lanka, I will be adding Sri Lanka as a category, and top level it is not a child category. Then if I want, I can start adding some more categories here. I can choose Sri Lanka and then put a subcategory as Colombo, and all the articles about Colombo can go there. And as you can see, Sri Lanka is the parent category, Colombo has been clubbed inside. Then there's the tags which you can use, Colombo, Sri Lanka, and yeah, then there's featured image, same sharing features, like you can show the like button and stuff. Then the same thing like the excerpt, get current location, and if you go to preview, you can see how your articles look here. So this is mostly the same design, but you can see there will be a comment section also in your blog post, not in your pages, but I think you can change the setting. Yeah, let's move to the other sections of the blog. And then there's media, where there are images, nothing much to discuss here. You can add images and later use it on your blog posts or pages. Then there are comments which you can moderate, like if somebody has commented on your blog, you can either spam, declare it as a spam, trash it, like it, or reply to the guy if he has asked any questions. So mostly if someone comments on your blog, it will be in pending and you need to go there and approve it if you want to. Then there are testimonials. I don't think you'll need a testimonial on a blog. And yeah, let's get to the most exciting part now, the themes. So let's click on customize, and yeah, as you can see guys, the customizer is on now and guides for you to see. And yeah, depending on the design or the theme you are using, you can customize it. Like if you want to change your site identity or the site title, you can change it from here. It is very easy to use WordPress for beginners as well, because of these features they provide, where you can like customize and like review it directly towards the right. And yeah guys, if you can see, if I want to change my blog site title, so I can just type it here, and on the go the thing changes on your blog, and then you need to like publish it and it will be live on your blog. So be careful while you are customizing your theme or different settings in your customizer. Then you can change the logo, or you can even remove it, and then you can put some footer credit out here, like as they have selected default, but you can customize some of this. Then there is different settings out here. You can choose the different colors for your blog. This is the blog background, which you can change depending on something you want to put in your background, or you can even choose the image to be the background of your blog. Then there's font. As you can see, this is the default theme font, but you can also customize your blog's font. As you saw, like instantly the blog font was changed to Lobster 2, and then you can change the base font like Carla. And after the fonts, we have header image, this big image which you, if you want to replace, you can change it to something else. Content options, with the different things you can display on your blog, like if you don't want to display your categories, author, display blog archives, display on single post. Like if you want to show your featured images just on your single post, you can do that from here. And yeah, you can add some widgets on the different section, like you can add 3 footers here, add a widget, see what all widgets are available to you to use. And yeah, as you can see, you can use these sections, like let's add a categories widget to my footer and let's see how it looks. Put a title here. There are some settings for category widget which will be different for different widgets, so we can show it as a drop down, post count, so hierarchy. And let's go below, and yeah, this is the section which shows your category. Like there is a one category with one post, and depending on that you can choose different widgets for your blog. So then there are homepage settings. You can choose to display your latest posts on your homepage, or a different category page if you want. Like you can choose the contact and it will show your blog post there. So then there is the homepage settings, where you can choose which page to be your home page. Like you can have 3 different home pages, keep changing them. We have featured content, and then there is featured content which will show some of your content on the home page. Like you can choose on what to display on the home page. Then we have the theme option, you can try them out. Testimonials and AMP, accelerated mobile pages. Read about that, because this is not just a small topic for your blog. And yeah, that's it for the theme customizers. We won't be publishing anything because I want this theme to be fresh. Let's get to the sharing section. This is mostly the section where you can configure many things for your blog. As you can see, you can connect all your Facebook, Twitter, G+, LinkedIn, Tumblr. Then you can choose on what sharing buttons to be displayed on your blog post, and then you can choose on how, on just display icon only, text only, official button. And yeah guys, then there is the people section, where you can choose on adding some people here for different roles on your blog: administrator, editor, author, contributor, and follower. Like follower will be mostly who can see your blog and like comment around. Editors can come and edit your blog articles. an administrator who can like customize the themes and stuff. Let's get to plugin. And yeah, as you can see, like many plugins. Yoast SEO, which will be a video on how to like SEO your free travel blog. So yeah, if you are watching this, definitely hit that subscribe button because the SEO video comes next week, and I don't think you should miss that, which will help your blog to grow on different search engines. But yeah, as you can see, you are not allowed to like install these plugins if you don't have a business plan. So let's see how we make that video out. But yeah, these are the different descriptions of the plugin which you can install, and we'll be discussing about the Yoast SEO. And then there is settings where you can change some of this stuff. These I think you can use the customizer and choose to change your language, time zone you belong to. So yeah, this is really important. If you should definitely choose the perfect time zone, or your blog articles might appear differently. You can choose it like even using your country or the city. Me, I can choose Kolkata. Then there is privacy option on your blog if you want to show it to everyone, or it should be getting indexed by the search engines. Then there is the hidden blog which won't be indexed in the search engines. Then there's private where you need to add people. The people section, people who are only registered can go and see your blog. Then different things like you can change your site address, which will take you to the site section. Import, like you can import content from any other WordPress blog or medium.com. And yeah, this is the export is mostly a backup feature where you can export your content and different options which you have on your blog, and later like port it to a new blog, or if you plan to move it to some other blogging platform, then you can delete your content or you can delete your whole website permanently, and that's it. Then there is a writing section of the settings page where it shows the different features of writing on your blog, like categories, tags, publish confirmation, number of testimonials, blog posts to display per page, and then start the pagination. Each setting, infinity scroll, which will remove the like pagination 1, 2, 3, 4, and while people keep scrolling, it will show you new articles. Keep on going till the end of all your articles, default article setting. And yeah, just check this out. Like I think this video is getting longer because there are like so many settings which I can explain it to you guys, but keeping it for you to experiment. If you click on traffic settings, you can see some more features, either to have AMP or not. Like for search engine optimization, you'll need a business plan, and also to like put a Google Analytics tag. Like you can put in the Google, Bing, Pinterest, Yandex site verification codes here, which will verify your blog. And yeah guys, that's it for how the WordPress.com works and how you can launch your free travel blog or any other category of blog if you want. And yeah guys, that was the second video. I hope you learned like so many things about the CMS system which we were using to build our travel blog. And yeah, the video ends here, but yeah, there is one more video left where I'll be teaching you guys on how to do SEO using different plugins for your travel blog or like any other blog. But yeah, using a free travel blog, you are not allowed to like post any plugins, so it becomes a tough job for your free travel blog to like easily get into SEO. So yeah, you need to upgrade your blog for the third step or the third lesson, which we will be learning in our next video. So I'll be showing you guys the plugin which I use for SEO, which helps me get my blog posts to search engines and stuff. And yeah, if you like this video, do not forget to hit that like button and also subscribe to my channel. So see you guys in the next one.